I know. Why did you your friend? I know.
Can you guys sing? Can you guys sing Happy Birthday?
No.
Sing Happy Birthday to Uncle Tim.
I'm gonna do this. Okay, we've decided.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, you Shoshana. Go ahead.
Ready?
A 1, 2. A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Amazing grace. Does that go Martinez? Does that go Martinez? Does that go Okay, Sam, can Eli?
Okay, now will you sing your part?
Eli we need to get okay. Amazing when we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, leave no vestige to sing God's praise. And when we first begun,
Hit it, Eli.
when we first begun.
Okay, Sam, you hit it.
Does that go Martinez? Does that go Martinez? Does that go Martinez? Does that go Martinez?
Okay, now can we all sing Happy Birthday to Uncle Tim with Mom? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, Uncle Tim. Uncle Bumpy, Uncle Elam's dad, Uncle everybody. Happy birthday to you.
Are you 1, are you 2, are you 3, are you 4, are you 5, are you 6?
I don't have enough tape space for that, Ryan. He's an old man.
Are you 12, are you 13, are you 14, are you 15, are you 16, are you 17?
Uncle Tim, we love you, and we can't wait to see you again, and we miss you.
We love you, Mom.
You are such a blessing to us.
We love you, Mom.
No, say we love you, Uncle Tim.
We love you, Mom.